The Lenovo Legion Go release is just around the corner, and trust us, this device is packed with some seriously cool features that you're going to love. So without further ado, let's dive right in and check out what makes it so awesome. In the box, you'll find the Legion Go itself, a 65-watt USB Type-C fast charger, and a cool FPS dock. The FPS dock is a neat addition because it's not just a regular controller. It transforms into a mouse when you're in FPS mode, making it perfect for playing your favorite first-person shooter games. It's a sweet package for sure. One standout feature is the kickstand. Strangely, it's not something we've come across often in handheld devices, which is kind of surprising considering how easy it is to add. But Lenovo did just that, and they did it with a purpose, to enhance your experience when playing FPS shooters. Now let's talk about the device's appearance. Around the analog sticks, there's some cool RGB lighting that's perfect for all you aesthetics enthusiasts out there. What's even cooler is that you can customize the colors of these lights. Just use the Legion Space, a nifty little button on the face of the Legion Go, positioned at the top left. It's a great way to add your personal touch and make it look as cool as you want. One feature that really got me excited is the fact that the Legion Go boasts not one, but two USB-C ports. This is a major plus over its competitor, the ROG Ally, which has just one. Why does it matter? Well, if you're using it as a PC, you can keep it charged while connecting other accessories, say an SSD. It's all about that extra versatility for your tech setup. Now, what sets the Lenovo Legion Go apart is a nifty feature in the Legion Space. They've included their very own built-in game store, something we haven't really seen from other handhelds. The cool thing is you're not obligated to buy games here, but it's definitely worth a look because you might stumble upon some exclusive deals that can make your gaming experience even more awesome. It's all about options and saving some bucks while you're at it. Kudos to the folks at Tom's Guide who've given us the lowdown on how the device actually feels. Despite tipping the scales at 1.41 pounds, it manages to feel surprisingly light. Much of this is thanks to its smart weight distribution, something that could have been a major downside if not handled well. The device boasts a sturdy plastic chassis, and even though it's smooth to the touch, I never once had that scary feeling of it slipping from my grasp. It's all about a comfortable and secure hold. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the big deal, the 8.8-inch display. It's one of the Legion Go's standout features, and it's quite literally larger than life when you compare it to the 7-inch displays on devices like the Steam Deck. Asus ROG Ally and Aya Neo 2S. Lenovo claims that this display covers 97% of the DCI-P 3-color gamut and can crank out up to 500 nits of brightness. Speaking of visuals, the crystal clear 2560 by 1600 resolution and the ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate offer a delightful experience. Lenovo's choice to opt for a higher pixel count, in contrast to some competitors with 1080p displays, ensures that finer details are displayed with absolute clarity. It's all about delivering stunning visuals with this device. And there you have it, a wrap on today's video where we've explored some of the most exciting standout features of the Lenovo Legion Go. With this official release just around the corner, we can expect even more to come. Yet even now, there's a substantial lineup of unique features that'll make you say, wow! So tell us in the comments if you're planning to grab this device. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, we'll catch you in the next one.